Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather and welcome to 2024. Now I know I disappeared off the face of the earth for a bit there at the end of last year, but I am back and I have a good lot of plans ready for you for this year. Before we get started, I want to say a huge thank you to you for making 2023 the best year in the history of J.H.Leather. There are an extra 21,000 of you following along with this channel in 2024, which is absolutely amazing, and welcome to all of you. Also, over the Christmas and festive period, you guys made 377 orders through my website for my products, which is just amazing. So I want to thank every single one of you. So 2024 is a very special year for me because it marks 10 years of J.H.Leather. I still can't quite believe where the time has gone, and it's been great to see how much the business has grown and changed over that time. And I think 24-year-old me who set up J.H.Leather will be pretty proud of where we are. Now, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do to mark this special occasion, but when I do figure something out, I will let you guys know. Throughout 2024, I'm going to be continuing to bring you our very popular pattern packs and make-along videos, and I already have quite a few ideas for this. The biggest one of the list is going to be the weekend bag. And I know I have said this for months and months now, but it really is coming. I was hoping to get that filmed and ready for you for the beginning of the year, but at the moment I haven't even started production on that, so that's going to be delayed a bit, but it will be coming. On the topic of the make-along videos, if there is something specific that you would like to see, please do drop a comment below, because I do read all the comments and I can add them to the list of videos that I need to make. I have already added a couple of things to the website for 2024. The first one of them is a PDF pattern pack for my key rings. Now, these are the same design as the acrylic key rings that I make and sell already. However, for those of you who don't want the acrylic set or don't want to pay the postage for the acrylics, you can now have the option of buying the PDF pattern download. Now, this does not come with a make-along video, but there will be an information guide on what leather to use, as well as an instructional guide on how to make the key rings. And one of the other things that I've added to the website is the option for some of the acrylic templates to have a materials bundle included with them. Now, like I said, it's not going to be for all of them because I do only stock a limited amount of leather here in the workshop, but some of them will now come with the option to add a material pack to them, so you don't need to go out and buy a whole piece of leather if you don't want to. The leather will be available in black, chestnut, mid-tan and red, and with the key ring set you will also get the allotted amount of split rings needed to make up your key rings. So I hope that some of you will find that of use. For those of you just dipping your toes into leathercraft, I will be expanding the range of DIY kits available. I'm going to be adding at least one bag to that, as well as some other options for you, so do keep an eye out on here and on the website and my social media for announcements as to when they get launched. Another thing that I've added to the DIY kits is the option to add personalisation. So you can add your names and initials and even some icons to each of the kits, so you can personalise them how you would like. So that is it for this quick update video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing for more videos and tutorials, and I shall see you in the next video.